On YouTube, when David was popularized, everybody tried to stretch out their content to make it 10 minutes plus
And he was like, see you later.
to maximize profits. David is like, he had the judgment to say, I'm going to forego short-term money and create such high-level content that like I'm not even going to do profit maximize by making it over 10 minutes. He doesn't even monetize the videos. Every creator needs to focus on that. That has to be the end goal, because it's like,
getting people to pay for you.
Unless you're Graham Stephan. Unless you're always family friendly, like Graham Stephan, he'll easily do 6 figures a month in Adsense. Easily. Yeah. And as a paid advertiser, I know how much money it costs to advertise on his videos. Like, a lot, man. Like, it's very expensive. Like, dude, you would
So the general, like, finance blanket really is, like, one of the more expensive.
It's not about finance.
What is it really?
So it's like this. Let me explain how this works, because nobody understands how this works. And I'm actually, like, a serious professional in the matter. I work with several multi-million-dollar companies where I manage a paid advertising. I understand this stuff, okay? I literally talk to people, and they say, oh, the CPA and the CPM of the this and that. It's like, bro, stop. You kind of know the pieces, but you don't really
Everyone kind of knows. Yeah, no one actually pays for it.
Let me explain how it works. Advertisers, Google's advertising system, videos, okay? It's not about finance. It's about the people who are watching the finance videos and the topic. The point of the advertiser isn't to advertise on finance niches. That's not the point. The point is to sell their product or service. And the type of people who watch Graham Stephan's videos
spend more money on stuff like that.
Not only that, they're in the mood. They're in the affinity to buy stock software. Yeah. So stock software is extremely high ticket and profitable. You're not going to advertise stock software on a cooking video. Not because people who are watching a cooking video, they're not in the mood or affinity to buy stock software. Yeah. But when you're watching Graham Stephan, you're in the mood to check out Webull. And dude, like, that's what it works. It's not that they want to advertise on the finance niche. In fact, advertisers want to advertise on the cheapest niche possible. That's where they want to advertise. But the thing is, the people who watch Graham Stephan's videos at the right time, at the right place, in the right mood, are the ones who are going to buy stock software, are the ones who are going to invest in financial software, are the ones who are going to buy in real estate and investing.
Those are more expensive, like, things to begin with.
Very expensive.
Yeah, those are just more expensive.
And so these advertisers can afford to pay $5 a click on a Graham Stephan video.
Because one person who actually buys it will make up for thousands of people clicking.
Yes, think about it. 100 clicks on a Graham Stephan ad is like $500 sometimes. Do you understand how expensive that is?
No, I wouldn't understand it like from your point of view. I understand it from like person who needs to like advertise to do business. $5 a click for me, like in real estate, I get leads for $5. If I had to spend $5 just for someone to click, it would be an astronomical price. Like my leads would cost $500-$600 each.
Yeah, the amount of advertising money that goes inside these people's videos is insane. Like, there's a reason why Graham, Meet Kevin, they make 6 figures a month in ad revenue sometimes, because, and by the way, Google keeps half of it. So if Meet Kevin makes $500,000 in AdSense or whatever it is, I might be using hyperbole. Let's say they make $100K a month some months. That means that's about $200K in advertising, dude. Because Google takes half and Graham takes half. That's $200K if Graham is making $100K, dude.
That's a lot of money.
And like, what type of so he gets business gurus? Business gurus sell courses that have huge profit margins. So like, they can afford to advertise on Graham Stephan's. But you gotta understand something. Like, these advertisers would love to advertise on a gaming channel that's super, super cheap. But what's the problem? If you're watching a Call of Duty video, are you in the mood to invest in real estate? No.
And I'm in the mood to invest in real estate, and I don't watch Call of Duty videos at all.
Yeah, exactly. So like, you're a perfect analogy or metaphor of why people target Meet Kevin. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're super interested in real estate. We're super interested in Bitcoin. We're super interested in advertising. And guess what channels we watch? We watch, like, you know, other general entertaining channels
that sell the expensive software.
But we spend a lot of time watching like business YouTubers, like this stuff like that. So it's not that advertisers want to focus on the finance niche. That's where they're getting money. If advertisers can focus on the gaming niche where the clicks are super cheap, they'll focus on the gaming niche. No one's buying though.